So today's job is I'm gonna try that wet and forget stuff and see if I can clean off the roof. It's pretty rough shape. Pine pollen didn't wash off, so hopefully this wet and forget will work. The back doesn't look as bad as the front, so it must have all came from the front, and there's a lot of trees out back, so it may have taken most of the pollen. So here goes. I sprayed the wet and forget. It does take a few weeks for it to do anything, or at least show some of the effects. I did, this whole side took that whole bottle, and then I was also able to do the, I was gonna try it, I tried it on the bricks too to see what would happen. So we'll see how this turns out. Because, I mean, that might be easier than power washing, but I mean, there's chemicals in it, so I don't know. But I sprayed all the exterior up front here, including over on this side where I also had some pine pollen right there. So we'll see how it turns out. So I will do an update in a few weeks. Okay, so I think 3-4 weeks have elapsed. It's definitely looking cleaner, but I think it's still got some work to do. We have not had a lot of rain, so it's not gotten very wet, so not much is washed off. Had a little bit of wind here and there, but not so much. But I don't see a lot of the pine pollen debris anymore, so it's not very green up there. So I know there's some sunlight on there, but it looks dull in sunlight. But I may also get you out here in the morning. We're also in the beginning stages of the great leaf drop. I'm probably going to be at this almost every other day till February. But so far, so good. I'll keep you posted. Alright. Forgot I mentioned I was going to get out here when the sun's not beating down on the roof as much. But so yeah, I think it's 3 weeks. It could be 4 since I sprayed that. We've only gotten rain twice since then. Only one that was extremely measurable, but even then it was 1/4 of an inch. But it is an improvement. I do not see any green from the pine pollen. That stuff gets really super sticky, so I'm impressed that it actually plows through that real quick. It's the black residue that's hard. You know, like I mentioned originally, I got some spider web to take down. It's this black stuff that's along. It's just built in dirt and probably some mildew. It takes a long time. Actually, it says it takes months for that to come up. So, I mean, it's not doing too bad. You can kind of see where I sprayed it through here, just as a. And then I guess if I do come through with the pressure washer, maybe it'll just come up quicker. But I still want to pressure wash all this through here. I still have this around here to do, so one of these days. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. There's a wasp nest over there too still. There's 2 of them. I'd love to figure out how to get up there, because I want to paint the house. And I want to figure out how to get to places. I may have to actually pay somebody to do it. But as a test, I may actually do this part. Maybe just do the front and see how it looks. If it doesn't look good, then we'll try another color, but that's the part you're really going to see when you come in over here. In the back, you're not going to see it much. So, all right, cutting it.